Now, book 1002, exercise 26, question H. The question said that, let's say question H, what should be added here? What should be added here so that this will end up something ax plus b. Okay, that means this expression plus something that you're supposed to find, you add to this expression, you end up like that. Okay, so the question asking you for this. Now, let's look at this. Let's do completing the square on this. You see n squared minus 3.2n. What you have to do is, if you do completing the square, so it become n minus 3.2 over 2 square minus 3.2 over 2 square. Okay, this is what you do when you do completing the square. Now, if what it's saying is, if I add 3.2 over 2, if I add this, so this become n minus 3.2 over 2 square. Okay, this will be equivalent to ax plus b. Okay, so you end up a perfect square. So what I'm saying is this, if you add something here, you can convert into this. So this is exactly what I mean. If I do completing the square, I get this and this. But if I add this, always minus, remember this always minus. If I add this, the exact same thing by add, so this cancel off each other. So I end up with this. Okay, so this is actually a perfect square. Okay, why? Because you can convert into a square without any remainder. Okay, that is what it means. So basically this question, you just take this, divide by 2, take this, divide by 2, and then square it. That is the term that you have to add. Okay, you actually add this is always negative, this plus, so you add this to cancel off this. Then you have a function which can be converted into a perfect square. Okay, so it's simple as that. So you just take, but what teacher want you to do is to do this step rather than do this. Okay, for example, J x squared minus 6. Okay, 64 and x. Okay, what you do is you just convert to this x minus, remember the coefficient of x is actually not 64 only, but 64n. So it's 64 n over 2. Okay, now minus 64 n over 2. Okay, then you simplify this whole thing, become 32 n square minus 32 n square. Okay, you just do this step now. The original question asking you this is the one that you have to add, 32n bracket square. Okay, but you just do this lah. This is just a practice.